Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Cloudabelle. Just want to share some information about magnesium, why magnesium is important in the system, and how to know whether you are deficient or that you have too much in the system, and how to obtain magnesium. So first of all, magnesium is a mineral compound that is needed in large quantity or amount in the body system. Magnesium helps a lot with proper functioning of the bones and the muscle system. It helps with proper functioning of the nerves. It helps to ease constipation. Magnesium helps to neutralize acidity in the intestinal tract, especially people that suffer from heartburn and indigestion. Magnesium helps a lot with that, and most people tend to be low in magnesium. And there are symptoms to know that whether you are deficient in magnesium or whether you have too much magnesium in your system. First of all, magnesium level, the normal range in the body is supposed to be between 1.8 and 2.2. So if your level is below that 1.8, you might have this following symptoms. You might notice that you are feeling so tired, very weak, fatigued, low energy, very sleepy. You might have some you might feel like nausea, loss of appetite, even anxiety, depression, weakness, spasms, muscle spasms. So all these are symptoms that you are deficient in magnesium. All right. And there are some things that may cause people to actually develop low magnesium level in their body. So most often, people that do suffer from Crohn's or long-term diarrhea and vomiting, people that are using diuretics for a long time, people that are using antacid or stomach ulcer, kidney dysfunction, people who tends to drink too much alcohol, diabetes patients, or basically people who do not eat enough magnesium containing food in their diet. All right. And also, having low magnesium level in your body might lead to hypertension, osteoporosis, which is basically bone degenerative disease or bone issue, or having brittle bones, clogged arteries, heart failure or heart problems, migraines, very bad headaches or migraine headaches, diabetes and stroke. So, in other words, magnesium it's highly important in the body. So far, the it's highly important in the body, and it's most advisable or mostly available in a food form. There are so many forms of magnesium, but it'd be best if you acquire magnesium through dietary form. Um, Exception are some people who suffer from some medical conditions that lead or cause them to have or be deficient in magnesium. Like mentioned earlier, people who suffer from Crohn's, or people who tend to be on long-term diuretics, um, and so on. Also, people who are pregnant, who there are some complicated pregnancy that will require IV magnesium to be given as a treatment first option treatment. However, if you have too many magnesium level in the body, you will notice some symptoms, which includes irregular heartbeats, low blood pressure, which means that too much magnesium in your body will cause low blood pressure. It will cause you confusion. It might lead to slow breathing or difficulty with breathing, which might eventually lead to coma and then to death. So magnesium is really important to make sure that it's regulated in the body. There are many ways to obtain magnesium. First will be from dietary farm, foods like nuts, seeds. Like example of high magnesium seeds will be pumpkin seed, chia seed, green leafy vegetables, even broccolis and spinach, squash, legumes. Those are high in magnesium. Cashew and almonds are also known to be high in magnesium. Yeah, dairy products, meat, fish, some fatty fish contains high magnesium level. All right, why some people actually need IV magnesium or short. Most specifically, people who pregnant women who have complications of preeclampsia or eclampsia. It's really a dangerous situation, and magnesium is usually like the um, rescue treatment to prevent them from developing seizure. All right, so that's to say that magnesium helps to prevent seizure as well. Okay, basically, you can say that magnesium can be acquired from high fiber foods. So if you are eating enough fiber or things that helps to move the bowel, you're basically obtaining magnesium. In other words, magnesium will be said to be used as a laxative as well. Okay, so magnesium have a very high potency or need in our body system. Um, all right, I hope this served well, and so on. All right, so if you have any question, please leave me the comment down below. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you and welcome back next time.